Hi, today we're going to learn how to use VPN to stay secure and private online. Wow, this is a tough job. Just kidding. When you use NordVPN, all it takes is just a single click. See for yourself. Click, and you're browsing securely on public Wi-Fi. Click, your ISP can't see what you do online. Click, and you're in a different country. Well, virtually. Any device you have there, NordVPN has you covered. Everything else is just details. But if you care to know more, NordVPN has more than 5,000 servers all over the world. It protects your sensitive data with advanced encryption, shields you from malware and phishing sites, and keeps no logs of your online activity.
Click link in the description and get 68% discount for your first order. Keeping your material fresh. Your material fresh. Upload often. Nobody will want to look at a page with nothing on it. Try keeping your page looking lively. Get core membership. If you or your parents are willing to pay for a core membership for deviantArt, you will have advantages including options to make your page more interesting and the option to request critiques on your artwork. For your profile, you can add all of the widgets available and choose to show however many thumbnail pictures you want to be displayed. Not to mention that you can choose from over hundreds of journal skins to make your journal entries more decorative. Requesting critiques is important too, so that critics around the site will notice you and may help you to improve. Interacting with others, join groups like #ArtZone. Groups like these accept all types of artwork and showcase your artwork to thousands of deviants. Visit other people's pages. Comment, favorite, and watch the people whose art you admire. They will most likely look at your page to thank you. You may even make new friends. Add a lot of people to your watch list. Go to the home page and browse through art you like, or do a search of some kind of art you like. If you find something that catches your eye, favorite it and add the artist to your Deviant watch. The more often you do this, the more people will notice you and they will thank you for the ad, and they might end up adding you back. Getting your work noticed, submit your artwork to groups. If your deviations aren't being seen, even if you have a fair amount of watchers, submitting your art to a few well-known groups might help your artwork get noticed. A lot of people join and contribute to groups on deviantArt, and there's a chance a lot of people will notice what you submitted if your art is accepted into a group. Choose a set of groups that are themed to your particular piece you are going to submit. If you have a picture of a Gothic castle, for example, you can submit it to Dark Art, Gothic Souls Club, Madmen Asylum, Disturbing Art Horror, or Bloody Sanctuary. Join the #ArtChance group. They usually have contests where you can submit your best artwork and possibly have a chance of it being seen by many deviants around the site. Participate. Join in with contests that are run by the admins, or even contests held by other members of the site. Groups are another great way to gain exposure on deviantArt. Join and submit artwork to groups and comment/favorite other members' artwork. Dealing with fans and critics. Reply to people when they watch you or fave your work. A lot of people feel good about getting a thank you message for their interest in something you did. This is also a good way for other deviants to see your name. As you scroll down to the comment section on their page, take notice of the art they have on their front page and their likes and interests, or if they have something funny. If you can, try to comment on something you saw or noticed, in addition to saying thank you. Always be nice and try to say something positive. Interacting with your watchers will keep them interested, and the chances of them coming back and looking at your artwork again will increase along with whoever looks at their page to be led to yours. Be prepared. It's not always a happy time with any website, as there are always the bad apples. Pay no notice, but take note of any hidden useful advice they may give. But if they do anything to you against the deviantArt policy, report them and block them from your page straight away. Be friendly. Nobody likes a grumpy person, do they? Be friendly and social, and other people will begin to like you. Many friends are gained this way. Give and take advice. Give people constructive criticism on how to improve their art if they ask for it, and heed any advice they give you in return.